is Jenny. This is Caleb, my son. Is that you? Is that you? He's gotten bigger from the other videos that I've done. I'm currently packing for our Cancun vacation. We are leaving tomorrow, so I thought it would be a good idea for me to record what I was packing for you guys, just in case you guys have any babies and are going on vacations, just so you can have an idea. I hope you guys like it. Don't just watch it, subscribe to my channel down below, so that way you can get notifications when I post a new video and you can watch my videos to come. I hope this video gives you some ideas and helps you with your travels and your upcoming vacations. And if you guys want to see what I'm packing for Caleb and for us, then keep on watching. So, say bye. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be taking for Caleb. This is all for him. This is his suitcase. We're gonna take one suitcase for us and then one for him. And here I'm just gonna show you guys like each thing. There's a lot of things on here, so I don't even know like where to start. These are gonna be his boogie wipes, facial wipes, and pacifier wipes. These are very important because, you know, pacifiers are gonna be dropping to the floor, and that way I can clean them real quick and it's non-toxic. And then the same thing, he's gonna, you know, wanna touch things, and every time that he touches something, I'm gonna make sure that I wipe his hands because I don't want any germs or anything. I don't want him to get sick, so this come in handy. And I'm also taking like a few little towels just in case I need them for like his face or his hands or anything like that. And then over here I have all his toiletries. On here I'm gonna show you guys everything I put on here. So I have his baby shampoo and body wash, and I also have his thermometer just in case he gets a temperature. Hopefully not. And then also, this is a first aid antibiotic cream that the doctor gave to me a while ago, and I saved it. So just in case he gets a scratch or anything like that, I can put that on him. And this is for babies. Also, I have this mineral-based sunscreen that we found at Babies R Us. It's strictly for babies. It's got 50 SPF, so I will be using this for him. Let me open this so you guys can see it better. I like to put everything in clear bags like this because to me it's easier to know. Like, I want to be able to open the suitcase and see everything kind of like through the bag, so that way I know exactly what everything is. I buy these Ziploc bags at Walmart. So I also have these natural insect repellent. This is gonna be really handy right now because in Cancun there's probably gonna be a lot of mosquitoes at night. This is gonna be able to protect him from mosquitoes. So I do recommend this a lot. And then also in here I have his travel size brush, and then I also have a baby body cream. I have children's Benadryl. The doctor said that I could give this to him. I also have baby Tylenol just in case, you know, there's a fever. You just never know, so it's better just to take it. And I also have the butt paste cream. You never know if you're gonna need it. He doesn't get any rushes or anything like that because I change his diaper often, but just in case, I'm taking it with me. And then over here I'm just taking a few bottles, and on here, on this little pacifier thing, you can put fruits in there and then he can just suck on them, and it's also a teether. And then I'm taking a sippy cup. I'm also gonna put more bottles in here. This is not all the bottles that I'm gonna take, but I just washed a few, so I'm just waiting for them to dry. These are all his bathing suits. I wanted to separate them from the rest of the clothes that we're taking. And the bathing suits are gonna go with the hats. How cute are these? These are just too cute. And these are gonna be the shoes that we're gonna take. I don't wanna take a lot of shoes with us and a lot of clothes. We're gonna go for a week, so I'm just gonna be taking these shoes, these little flip-flops. He's gonna be wearing some sunglasses, even if it's just for a picture. I know he's not gonna like them probably, but we're gonna try to just get a picture with that. It's gonna be cold in the airport and in the airplane, so I'm gonna put this jacket over top of his outfit. I'm also gonna be taking swimming diapers. These are very good. I'm also gonna take some sensitive wipes. I'm just taking a few outfits, not a lot, just a few outfits. for later at night, you know, to go out to dinner and stuff. And over here I have a few toys. It's very easy to see what you have in your luggage if you have it in clear bags like this, so that's why I like to do this. And over here I'm gonna be taking some of this organic plum baby food. He doesn't like this a lot because he's used to me cooking for him, but he does eat them. So, you know, right now I won't be able to cook for him. So he's gonna have to do with this. And I'm just taking a few different flavors that I know that he's gonna eat. He doesn't like a lot of sour flavors. I'm also taking spoon. I'm gonna be taking another spoon that's not in here yet because he's gonna eat with that later. A few pacifiers, a pacifier clip, and this is another pacifier. I'll probably take one more of those. We're leaving today for Cincinnati. We're gonna stay at a hotel in Cincinnati tonight because the flight is tomorrow early, like really early in the morning. The flight is probably gonna be, I think the flight is around 6 o'clock in the morning. So to go to Cincinnati today from Kentucky, I'm gonna be taking this outfit. He's gonna be wearing this. He's gonna be wearing this little Nike outfit. It's so cute, with these little sandals. And then for tomorrow, he's gonna wear this Nike outfit right here, very comfy. And he's gonna be wearing the same sandals with that. That's the outfit that he's gonna take to Cancun. And then over here, I'm taking this bottle warmer because he does not drink his milk cold. There's no way he's gonna drink it. So I have to take this with me, and this is very efficient. And I found, you guys are gonna love this. I found this Aloe Vera Gel, which is like 99% natural. I'll show you guys. The ingredients on this is extremely good. Like, it doesn't have any alcohol or anything like that. The way they preserve this is with citric acid. So that's the preservative that they use. I tried looking for aloe vera gels at the stores, at Walmart and stores like that, but they all had alcohol and just nasty ingredients, so I didn't want to get those. And I found these on Amazon. Most of the stuff that I'm going to show you guys here, like those things and what else? Like this little thing and those, a few things that I got over here are bought on Amazon. Taking aloe vera is a very good idea because if you get a sunburn, nothing works better than the aloe vera. So I'm glad that we're gonna take that. I'm also gonna be taking some hand sanitizer, you know, for me, or if I have to put it on the baby, it's safe, it doesn't have any alcohol. Some travel pack wet wipes, which are antibacterial. Every time that he sits on a table or on a chair or anywhere, I'm gonna be wiping the surface with the disinfectant wipe. I don't want him to get sick, so that's just something that I like to do. And then these right here are puppy pads. This right here are puppy pads, and they work. Like, he has used these pads for probably about 3 months now, and they do not give him a rash. They do not have any reaction with his skin. It works for us. And they have children pads like that, but they're more expensive. So the puppy pads are a little bit cheaper, and these ones I got on Amazon as well, and these ones are really good. I like them. They're very absorbent, and if it has a leak or anything like that, this will be able to catch it, and that way we're not messing, you know, the hotel bed or anything like that, you know, hotel sheets. We don't want to be a mess. So I'm also taking regular diapers, you know, just in case we need them. I'm taking a lot of them. I'm taking 2 packs of those. And this is the bag that I'm gonna be using just as my diaper bag, just to be like on the pool or anywhere that I'm gonna go. I like it because it's floral, so it kind of like matches with our Cancun vibe, you know. These right here I got at Amazon, and it is a UV protectant, kind of like a little tent. It is a tent. So it is a UV tent that you like blow up. You don't have to blow it up, but you just like unfold it, and it becomes like a little house. About 4 people can fit on those. So it is supposed to protect you from the UV rays. I don't want the baby to get any sun exposure. I mean, I know he's gonna get, you know, a little bit of sun exposure, but I'm gonna try to protect him as much as I can from the sun. So I do definitely recommend this if you guys are going out on a trip, especially like to the beach or like a tropical place. You do need to protect your baby from the sun. And then I'm also gonna be taking He loves the water, so I cannot wait to see him on this little thing. I got this on Amazon as well. And this is a floaty. How cute is that? So he's gonna be able to go in there and float like that on the pool. And he also has like the little roof that's gonna protect him from the sun. Like I said, you want your baby to be protected from the sun. I already talked to a doctor and he said that's like one of the most important things is to make sure that your baby is not exposed to the sun. Also, it's gonna be really hot, so I wanted to make sure that I had a little fan to clip on his. We're gonna be taking our stroller, so you can clip this on the stroller, you can clip it on the floaty, you can clip it on the tent, you can put it anywhere. It has a USB and it also has batteries, so it's very efficient. It lasts for a long time and your baby can be cool. And another thing that's very important that I do recommend to every mom out there, if you're going on a trip, especially like to the tropical or like a hot place that you know is gonna have a lot of mosquitoes, you want to make sure that you do have a mosquito net. So this is gonna go, you can put this anywhere. So basically what we're gonna take this for is for our car seat, not our car seat, our stroller. So we're gonna do the same thing that they're doing on here, but you can put it like you see on here. You can put it on the little thing, you can put it on your car seat. You can basically do anything with this. You can put it anywhere and protect your baby from mosquitoes. So there you go, guys. I'm probably missing a few things that I'm still working on to get together. I still got to put his milk on here. You know, there are a few things that are missing from here, but this is like the overall, you know, idea of what I wanted to take with me and what I wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to give you guys just like a general idea of, you know, what you could take if you have a baby. Caleb is 9 months old, so I don't want to miss anything. You know, I'd rather have more things that I need than later be wondering like, oh, you know, where am I gonna buy this? Because things in Cancun are gonna be really expensive. So, you know, you want to make sure that you take as much as you can from here. Even if you're taking too much with you, that's fine, because, you know, anything that's left you're still gonna use for your baby later when you come home. You know what I mean? Alright guys, so now as for what Carlos and I are taking, this is pretty much like the main things that we're taking. I still gotta put his toothpaste in there, our shampoo and conditioner, you know, a few things like last minute things are not in here, but I just got a few outfits on here. Our toiletries, I'm taking my favorite face cream, my organic cream that you guys know I love, facial cleaner, an oil cleaner. This is really good when you got makeup on. You can just remove the makeup with the oil cleaner and it's gonna be a little bit more gentle on your skin, and it's not gonna dig all that dirty makeup into your pores. So this is really good. I recommend to do this before you do your regular cleaner. I'm also taking some jojoba oil for the dryness on the skin. I'm taking my rose water. This is supposed to be a setting spray, Mario Badescu, but it's not. I used a bottle and just put rose water in there. A little deodorant, soap. I got our shower gel on here, a bath bomb to use in the hot tub. I'm using this Bahama Tan Sunless Tanning Lotion, and it's pretty good. We're also taking we're taking like 2 more bottles of this UV protection dry oil and just regular spray. And I'm taking all those swimsuits. Some of them are, these I got from Amazon, that I got from OMG Miami Swimwear. That's I'm only gonna take 1 swimsuit cover, because I don't want to take a lot of stuff with me this time. A body lotion, I bought this on Amazon, you guys, and these are some extra batteries for the camera. I have a Sony camera, so these batteries fit on here. I can charge 2 of these, and this is the charger, so I can charge both of them at the same time, so that way whenever this camera gets exhausted, I can use one of those cameras in here and I can continue to record. And I also have this 128 gigabyte card for the camera, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of video. We bought, this is very essential, I think, some waterproof phone covers, and I got a little tripod for the camera for vlogging, and then we also got a selfie stick. Let me see what else. That's pretty much it for us. I mean, everything else is already on here. Our shoes. And then I still have to take a few more things that are still in my bathroom because we're not done with them. So So whenever I take a shower and all that, I'm gonna take a few things like a razor and my Neutrogena UV protectant. I also don't have that on there. Also, I'm gonna be taking some dental floss. I love to floss my teeth, so I don't have them in here, but I will be putting them in here as well. A little pack of like dental flossers, like the ones that look like a toothpicks. I love those, so I will be putting those on there. Gotta put toothpaste on here. There are still a few things missing, but this is like the general idea, like what I'm gonna pack right now. So you guys have an idea, this is what we're taking. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So everything is now in the bag. I added his milk and snacks on here. Also, I was gonna let you guys know, I'm taking, this is very important, like I guess to me, I'm taking these poop bags, so that way whenever he poops and pees, I can put the diapers in these little bags. You basically pull out a little bag, kind of like dog poop bags. It's the same thing. I mean, these are actually dog poop bags that I bought on Amazon. They have them for children as well, but this one are cheaper. And basically when your baby poops and pees, you can put the diaper in here and then throw it in the garbage. So that way you're not putting poopy diapers directly in the trash at the hotel. It's very, I think it's like hygienic and just practical. Even if you're out, like especially like if you're out on the pool or anything like that and he poops, you can just pull out a bag and then put the diaper in there. And then I'm also taking the dish soap that I use to clean his bottles, his sponge, and the brush that I use to clean the bottles, because you're gonna be, you know, I'm gonna be cleaning bottles at the hotel, so I want to make sure that I have everything that I need. So here you go, you guys. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys on my next video.